What you got there? What you got there? Hmm? Apple? Yeah. You love apples, don't you? Why don't you go in so you can eat it? Hmm? Now what are you eating? Oh, a peanut. Uh-oh, we dropped the peanut. There you go, I gave you your peanut back. Yeah. Is that good? I know, Ashley's making a big ruckus. Yeah, Ashley's making a big ruckus. Oh no. And Lucky is having a good old time, picking up everything that Precious drops. Apple peels. Mm-hmm. There you go.
What was that?
This juice. Who put it like that? It broke, Lexi. Yeah, it broke. It has to be thrown.
Okay.
Put it in.
I know, what is all this?
It's falling out of the fridge. That was the only thing I could pick up. How is it not on me? Whoever put it like that, it's not.
I got it. Watch out.
Sorry, but my fingers are flying now.
Let that bathroom air out. It
It was just this thing I cut this juice container. I don't know.
I
how
know,
opened
it's
the
total
door.
chaos in this house.
must be bathroom, right?
I see you.
Like this. You
Okay.
know who makes this old cedar? They make that